Here we have 1972 Lotus Elan +2 135. So it has the 5-speed gearbox, finished in yellow with the silver burst roof. Previously sold by us. Since it was sold last time, it's had a new flywheel and new clutch and flywheel ring gear. Previous owner before that had the car for a very long time and had masses of invoices in a big folder. So the car does come with an awful lot of service history. Bodywork, as you can see, is in very good order. Obviously painted at some point in the past. That should all be documented in history. Can't remember off the top of my head when the actual date was. Black Ambla Interior, Walnut Dashboard's in good condition. Wooden gear knob. Original Lotus steering wheel, which is a nice benefit. Nice example of an Elan +2. Available for Allen White sports cars. 01234 750 205. This one a bit there at the end. Thank you for viewing.